Coinblock is a free 3-hour crypto faucet that allows you to mine crypto with no investment required. They have 19 coins to choose from, and it's as easy as this. So if you open the dashboard after you make your account, you go down here, click Claim Bonus Hash, click I am human, 3 extra bonus hash. I've only had this for a few days, so you can see I have a total of 60 and 63. So I'm currently farming Dogecoin. So let's slide that 60 to 63, and that's it. And there are investment options, but if you stick to the free faucet, there is zero risk involved. But I want to show you a few things about this app. You can see the network status. Now this says this is determined by Bitcoin mining difficulty. So as Bitcoin mining difficulty increases, this will go down. It's currently at 0.5241%, which is currently around 180% APR, which is a little high in my end to invest into this. But like I said, there are free options with this, which is why I want to show it off. The next thing I want to show off real quick is the level system. You can see I have 50 BLK. Now you can use this to reinvest. And really the point of me reinvesting was to see if you use your BLK, if it took you down from your level, and it does. And you can get free BLK from daily login bonuses as well as actually mining it itself. I tend to actually like mining the crypto coins because it's real money. The BizBLK just works for this website, and we don't know how long this is going to last. And another cool thing you can see, if you go to your wallet tab, you can see that I have a total of 63 hash, right? And that's earning me 0.0033 daily USD, which obviously isn't a lot. But this number is just going to keep growing. I've only had this for a few days. It seems to be only positive. And before I show off my withdrawal, there are 19 coins available. I would say that Doge and Polygon are best for free users. But in a few weeks, as I built up my account, I'll make an account update as well as show the top 10 coins as far as like withdrawal minimums and withdrawal fees as far as being the best to mine on this platform. And like I said, I was able to make a withdrawal with no investment. So I'm going to show a tutorial on how to send Doge to a Coinbase wallet. So in your wallet tab, you're going to scroll down, and where it says Doge, you're going to click Withdrawal. Now you can see that it's the Dogecoin network, so we're going to be going to our Coinbase wallet at this point. So in Coinbase, you're going to hit Transfer, Receive Crypto, use the Dogecoin network as I said, copy your address, head back to Coinblocks, paste your address, you're going to scroll down, and you're going to click Confirm Withdrawal. Click I am human, and there's the request. And it says it should be in my wallet pretty soon, so as soon as it is, I'll come back and report how long it took me. And about 10 minutes later, I received 0.04 Doge directly to my Coinbase wallet. I know it's not a lot, but I've only had this for a few days, and it does prove that this works with no investment. The next thing I want to show off is referrals. Now, I'm not recommending anybody to invest into this, but if you do use my referral code, I get an extra 1 hash per second. And if you use my referral code that's linked in the description, you start with a free 5 hash per second miner. It's a free and easy way to support the channel and really does get these videos out quicker. So I'm going to talk about the bounty program real quick, and I'm going to kind of tie it in to why I'm not investing into this. I promoted an app called Fast Hash, and it had insane APRs even higher than this. And I was telling people to be very, very careful because pretty much 100% of the time when the APRs are unrealistic, it's going to be gone before you know it. And how this ties into the bounty system is that if you submit a YouTube video, which I'm probably one of the main ones who does this kind of stuff and breaks them down like this, they'll give you some free hash. But I'm straight up saying, hey, do not invest into this. This is way too risky. I don't want to see people lose money. I was fairly adamant about this during Fast Hash, but now I'm just like, do not risk your money. I tell people not to put more than they can afford to lose. But until this is around for quite a long time, can't risk it, period, in my opinion. But again, because it does have the faucet, I really do think it is worth your time for a lot of people. But I do really like these 3-hour crypto faucets, and I like promoting them as fast as I can. So if I see anything like this in the future, I'll probably tell you not to invest in it, but definitely check out the faucet. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto cloud mining apps and break them down as well as I can. And as I mentioned before, if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my Coinblock referral code that I have linked in the description. And if you find value in these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You get these videos out a bit early. I don't take any direct sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps to make these videos as unbiased as possible. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.